Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your CRA access code. So first head over to canada.ca. Then next from here, click on sign in to an account. So you must first be signed in to your CRA account. Just follow this link. Proceed by logging in with your credentials so you can sign in with partner, CRA user ID and password, whichever is applicable. Now, once logged into your account at your My Account page in the left panel, click on Tax Returns. This will then show you all your tax returns and notices of assessment and reassessment. Now just click from any of your notice of assessment links. And there you can see all details about that specific notice of assessment, including the access code. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!